Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. In our last video, we talked about the importance of good posture and common causes of postural disorders. Now, let's see how physiotherapy can help and learn some exercises and ergonomic tips to correct posture. If you do not have subscribed my channel yet, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Okay, now move on to the topic. How physiotherapy can help by thoroughly addressing the patient, observing gait, alignment, muscle strength imbalance, strengthening exercises to strengthen the weak muscles that cause misalignment, stretching exercises to address tightness, using biofeedback devices and braces for making people aware of their body positioning or adjust accordingly, home exercise plan and patient education to prevent injury and disorders. Now let's see common exercises to correct posture. First exercise is chin tuck exercise. In this exercise, you have to be in standing position or sitting position, head straight above the spine, tuck your chin towards your neck, hold for 7 to 10 seconds, return to the neutral position. This exercise will strengthen your neck muscles and provide flexibility. Second exercise is chest opening exercise. In this exercise, you have to stand straight with feet shoulder width apart. Now, intertwine your fingers of both hands behind the back. Move chest towards the ceiling while inhaling. Hands towards the floor. Take a deep breath and relax. This exercise is effective when work is done in prolonged sitting. This stretch relaxes the back and chest muscles. Third exercise is forward bending. In this exercise, you have to stand straight with feet slightly width apart. Bend forward to touch the ground with the knees slightly bent and chin tucked. It is not necessary to touch the ground, just go as far as you can. Stay in this position for 10 to 15 seconds, return to a neutral standing position. This exercise stretches and relaxes low back and hamstring muscle. Fourth exercise is cat-cow stretch. In this exercise, you have to be in all four positions on the ground with weight evenly distributed on hands and feet. Inhale and extend your spine by abdomen towards the ground and look up. Make arch. Now, hunch your spine towards the ceiling while exhaling with chin tucked in. Do this pose for about 10 seconds and repeat 5 to 7 times. This exercise relieves back pain and relaxes spine. Now, last exercise is child's pose. In this exercise, you have to be in kneeling position. Sit on your shin towards the ground with your knees slightly width apart. Lean forward with your forehead on the ground. You either extend your arms before you or your arms extended back along the thigh with palms facing upward. Relax in this position for 5 minutes. This pose relaxes the neck, back and gluteus muscles and hamstring muscles. In addition to exercises, improving your ergonomics can significantly improve your posture. While working in offices, make sure while sitting your knees should be at 90-degree angle and feet flat on the floor or on some footrest. To prevent neck discomfort, keep your computer screen at eye level. Choose a chair with good lumbar support to preserve lower back. Your lower back natural curves should be maintained. Take some free time to stretch and stand up and move around for a moment. While lifting heavy object, you should place your feet shoulder width apart and stand close to the object. Bend knee and hip, not your back. Maintain a straight back and lift the object with the help of leg close to the body and stand up. Remember, posture correction is a journey that should be embraced with positive attitude. Pain-free, strengthened body and good posture not only have a profound impact on your appearance, but also makes you livelier from inside. You look more confident and energetic. Take professional assistance, improve ergonomics, adopt healthy habits, and be consistent with them. Thank you for watching. You found this video helpful? Give a thumbs up. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notification for the video when uploaded. Take care.